Hi friends, let me share something interesting with you today. I have my fabric in hoop here and I have my needle already threaded. Embroidery designs can have a great impact anywhere you use them, but sometimes it's the more unusual places that really make a garment. Let these ideas inspire your own unique creations. They can be used around the neckline or on the sleeves or near the hem or the side slits. Try to keep your stitches even and not too tight. The most important tip I can pass on is bullion and cast on stitches should be wrapped loosely on the needle. If you get them wound too tight, it is a struggle to get them slid off the needle. If you want thicker bullions, you need a thicker weight of thread. You can't make the bullion any thicker by adding more wraps. Here is a sanity saver. When you have finished your bullion or cast on stitch, make a knot on the back to secure that bullion. Sometimes bullions get so tight that they will burst open and it will unravel your work back to the last knot. If you like our video, hit the like button below and leave a comment. Thanks for watching our videos.